This video is the continuation of the previous video. The second part, we are going to learn the same exercise problems. This is exercise 1.4, 9th question. Given f of x is equal to x plus 2, if x is greater than 1, 2 minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Find the values of first one f of 3, second one f of 0, third one f of minus 1.5, the fourth one is f of 2 plus f of minus 2. Solution: given f of x is equal to x plus 2 if x is greater than 1, 2 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Here we need f of 3. 3 is in the first interval, that is x greater than 1, 3 is there. Next we need f of 0. 0 is between minus 1 and 1, 0. Next we need minus 1.5. It's between minus 3 and minus 1, minus 1.5. Then last one we need 2. It's in the first interval, minus 2, it's between minus 3 and minus 1. Now we can go for the calculation. First subdivision, f of 3. Now we have to use the function x plus 2. X plus 2. That is equal to x value is 3. Therefore, we are getting 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Second one, f of 0, which is equal to 2. It's a constant which is given. Third one, its record is f of minus 1.5. Now we have to use the third function, that is x minus 1 is the function. X value is minus 1.5 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2.5. Now the fourth subdivision, we need f of 2 equal to, it's in the first interval, so I am using the function x plus 2, which is equal to, x value is 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then I need f of minus 2, which is equal to x minus 1 equal to minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. Now we have to add both. It becomes f of 2 plus f of minus 2, that is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. This is the required answer. 10th question, a function f from closed interval minus 5 comma 9 to R real number system is defined as follows. F of x is given as 6x plus 1 if minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Second one is 5x square minus 1, 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. Third one, 3x minus 4, 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Now, just I am going to indicate the required values, where it's situated. For the first one, I need minus 3, f of minus 3. So minus 3 is in the first interval, minus 3. 2. 2 is in the second interval. Then second part we need f of 7. 7 is in the third interval, it's 7. Then f of 1 I need, 1 is in the first interval. Then third one I need f of 4 and f of 8. 4 is in the second interval and 8 is in the third interval. Like that in the fourth subdivision, minus 2, it's in the first, then 6, it's in the third interval, then 4, already we returned that, f of minus 2, it's also there. Now the solution. First subdivision, f of minus 3, that is equal to 6x plus 1, that is 6 into minus 3 is minus 18 plus 1 equal to minus 17. Next I need f of 2, which is equal to 5x square minus 1. 2 square is 4. 4 into 5, it's 20 minus 1 equal to 19. Next, we have to add these two quantities, f of minus 3 plus f of 2 equal to minus 17 plus 19 equal to plus 2. Now we can go for the second one. Second is, we need f of 7. f of 7, it's in the last interval. So I have to use the function 3x minus 4 equal to 3 7s are 21 minus 4, that is equal to 17. Like that, f of 1 we have to find. 1 is in the first interval, so I have to use the function 6x plus 1 equal to 6 into 1 is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. We need f of 7 minus f of 1 equal to 17 minus 7, that is equal to 10. This is the required answer for the second one. Now the third is f of 4 value we have to calculate. It's in the second interval, therefore I have to use the function 5x square minus 1, that is equal to 5 into 4 square. 4 square is 16, 5 16s are 80 minus 1 equal to 79. Then you calculate f of 8. It's in the last interval, that is 3x minus 4 is the function. 3 8s are 24 minus 4 equal to 20. Now we need 2 times of f of 4 plus f of 8. This is equal to 2 times of 79 plus 20, which is equal to 158 plus 20 equal to 178. Now we have to go for the fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision we need f of minus 2 equal to, for minus 2 we have to use the first function, that is 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1, that is equal to 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 plus 1 equal to minus 11. Then we need f of 6. For 6 you have to use the loss function, that is 3x minus 4, that is equal to 3 6 are 18, 18 minus 4 is 14. Then we need f of 4. f of 4 value already we obtained in the previous subdivision, that is 79. Then f of minus 2. Already we obtained that in the first line of the fourth subdivision. Now we need 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2, which is equal to, just you substitute all these values, 2 times of f of minus 2 is minus 11 minus f of 6 14 whole divided by f of 4 is 79 plus f of minus 2, that is minus 11, which is equal to minus 22 minus 14 divided by 79 minus 11 is 68. Now we can simplify this. This is equal to minus 22 plus 14 is 36 divided by 68, which is equal to, we are cancelling for fourth table, that is minus 9 divided by 17. This is the required answer for the fourth subdivision. 11th question, the distance s an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by s of t is equal to 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, a, b are constants. Verify whether the function s of t is 1, 1 or not. Solution: given s of t is equal to 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b. Here we have to verify s of t is 1, 1 or not. That is, we have to verify s of t1 is equal to s of t2 implies t1 is equal to t2. If it satisfied that, we can say it's 1, 1. If not, it's not 1, 1. Consider s of t1 equal to s of t2, which implies half g t1 square plus a t1 plus b equal to half g t2 square plus a t2 plus b. Here we can cancel the b terms. Okay, children. After that, you have to group the terms. I am taking half g terms together, that is t1 square minus t2 square plus you group a terms, that is a into t1 minus t2 equal to 0, which implies half g t1 square minus t2 square is t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2 plus a into t1 minus t2 equal to 0. Now in both the terms t1 minus t2 is common. So t1 minus t2 into half g into t1 plus t2 plus a, which implies t1 minus t2 is equal to 0, which implies t1 is equal to t2. Therefore, we can conclude s of t is 1, 1. 12th question, the function t which maps temperature in Celsius C into temperature in Fahrenheit F is defined by T of C equal to F, where F is equal to 9 by C plus 32. Find the required values. Given T of C is equal to F equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. First subdivision, we need T of 0. You put C is equal to 0, therefore we are getting 32 degree Fahrenheit. Second one, T of 28, which is equal to 9 by 5 into 28 plus 32, which is equal to, we can calculate this value, that is 28 into 2 I am taking, since denominator I want to make it as 10. So 28 into 2 is 56 into 9. It becomes 9 6 are 54, 5 9s are 45 plus 5 is 504. So 504 divided by 10, since I multiply and divide by 2, plus 32, which is equal to 50.4 plus 32, which is equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Third subdivision, we need T of minus 10, which is equal to 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32, which is equal to 5 you can cancel with this 2 times, that is minus 18 plus 32, which is equal to 14 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth subdivision, the given T of C is equal to 212, which implies T of C value is 9 by 5 C plus 32 equal to 212, which implies 9 by 5 C equal to 32 you have to subtract from 212, that is 180, which implies C is equal to 180 divided by 9, that is 20. 20 into 5, that is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Fifth subdivision, the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. Therefore, given F is equal to C, let this equation is 1. Therefore, 1 implies F is equal to C, so C is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. This you can simplify. 9 by 5C minus C equal to minus 32, which implies you take LCM, it becomes 4C by 5 equal to minus 32. Therefore, C is equal to minus 32 5s are 160 divided by 4, which is equal to minus 40 degree. This is the required answer in the fifth subdivision. So you just practice the similar sums from the example. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet in the next video.